They're going into battle.
Anywhere you see these white streaks, there's something up here.
Wow.
These are aggressively orange. Good one.
So cool. Okay, first time kayaking, and I can't believe I'm taking a video. I'm so scared of dropping my phone in the water.
Oh, it is! Wait, so pretty. Wait. What? Who said that? What? Who said that?
Wait, look.
What?
They have it on a PDF.
Oh, okay.
We start with the 11 struggle. Yeah, I think that's circle. Wait, did the circle have any significance? But if it's like too compacted, if it's like rice oil in there, that's what it is.
This is what my degree is for.
Yeah. Cute. Really fun. Like, it doesn't have to be crazy fun. Yeah.
And a robe and a
More straight men, maybe like working at James Street than doing PPSA.
What's that?
Like a
They covered the entire island in plastic. They did $2 million worth of renovation, and they did what the federal government can do. They mix it together. There used to be two of these, one in Mystic, one here, where it's wicked cold, and the driver doesn't want to sit in the truck with no heat on, so they violate the law and leave a diesel truck running. I think it's 300 houses worth of electricity.
It's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Basic skills for maintaining that bike and fixing the common things that go awry, then you're like a self-sufficient hours with mechanics here working to fix bikes. It's not really
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Wow, look at all the goods. those layers. We now have a TV, and we just moved a bunch of stuff. Yay! My summer in New Haven was really routine in the best way, and I feel like I got to experience a really great New England summer. Saturdays were for farmers markets, and I went with my roommate, who was also my housemate and also my friend, so that was a really nice setup that we had. But knowing exactly what I was doing for most of the week was really nice, and getting to experience New Haven in a quiet, non-student sort of way was really refreshing, and it made me appreciate New Haven a lot more, other than my program introducing me to all these amazing advocates and local leaders. Doing this public service fellowship where I was placed at an art gallery, I had a really great cohort and a really fun orientation week, which a lot of this vlog captures. And I just feel like, looking back on all of this, these sights and sounds epitomize summer in New Haven really well. Or maybe that's putting sort of rose-tinted glasses over it all, but I really do think I had such a great time throughout the whole summer, and yeah, I would not have done anything else, honestly, if I had a choice to redo last summer.